Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through configuring a proxy in the Waterfox browser. Let's get started. Open the Waterfox browser and access the menu by clicking on the three bars located on the right side of the interface. Navigate to the settings. In the settings, use the search function and type in proxy to find the relevant options. Proceed to the proxy server settings section. To add your proxy, select the manual proxy configuration option. I'll demonstrate using the HTTPS protocol as an example. Fill in the fields with the proxy IP address and port, then save your settings. If you're using a free proxy, your IP address will automatically be updated. For those using a private proxy, the browser will prompt you for authorization. Enter your username and password to successfully connect the private proxy. And that's it. Your proxy setup in Waterfox is now complete. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.